Bitcoin has experienced a bullish market over the past months. Experts also claim that it is historical that its price always explodes each April every year. Will this year mark the same trend, or will investors get disappointed? Let us review some of Bitcoin's latest news and what experts have to say on the expected price come April. Now, before we start, make sure you subscribe to Crypto Academy for your daily dose of crypto news, and also turn on bell notifications so you'll be notified when we upload, since YouTube doesn't always recommend videos of people you're subscribed to. Also, leave a like on this video so we know if we should make more similar videos. Having said that, let us get right into the video. According to the latest headlines, data reveals April could be even bigger for the Bitcoin price. According to Forbes, the Bitcoin price has gone up by almost 500% since its last bull run began in October, and it's climbed to an all-time high of just over $60,000 per Bitcoin this month. Forbes further claims that historical Bitcoin price data showing March losses are often followed by an April rally, and this makes Bitcoin traders and investors feel upbeat. Elsewhere, Danny Scott, the chief executive of the Isle of Man-based Bitcoin and cryptocurrency exchange Coin Corner, believes that the time of the year can be a factor, and the month of April is always highlighted as it marks the end of the UK and US tax year. Regarding this, Scott believes that taking history into account, it very well may stack up. Moreover, according to Scott, analysis of price data over the last 10 years reveals a 51% gain for Bitcoin in April. And if this plays out well, it will mean the Bitcoin ends April 2021 at just over $80,000. So far, data shows that we've only experienced 2 negative Aprils since the birth of Bitcoin. This occurred in 2014, where Bitcoin dropped by 6%, and in 2015, where it dropped by 4%. These 2 Aprils tied coincidentally with the following month of May, with only 2 negative months, which includes 2015, where it dropped by 1%, and in 2018, where it dipped by 18%. This means that there could be some momentum and truth from this, according to Scott. Further, Scott notes that these negative Aprils and Mays came during Bitcoin bear markets, and current industry sentiment should be factored in. Fortunately, at the moment, we're very much in a bull period, with consistent momentum building each week, according to Scott. However, in a more cautious eye, could this be nothing more than just mere coincidence? Bobby Ong, Chief Operating Officer at Bitcoin and cryptocurrency data site CoinGecko, believes that there is no good reason why Bitcoin historically climbs in April. Perhaps the only thing I can think of is that historically Bitcoin tends to underperform in March, so April sees a rebound in price, he added. Could the Bitcoin performance in April be a mere coincidence in all these years? Moving on, Bitcoin is also growing in every aspect, and this makes it certain that its price will indeed explode in April. In other news, Bitcoin jumped to a 1-week high as Visa pilots crypto settlement. This followed after Visa said its payments network will use a stablecoin backed by the US dollar to settle transactions, as blockchain technology gains more acceptance in the established financial system. According to Jack Forrestal, Visa's chief product officer, the move is partly an effort to serve financial technology companies. In other exciting news, PayPal has launched the Checkout with Crypto service to allow consumers to make payments at millions of merchants using cryptocurrencies in their PayPal wallets. Checkout with Crypto will automatically appear in the PayPal wallet at checkout for customers with sufficient cryptocurrency balance to cover an eligible purchase. Checkout with Crypto currently only supports Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and Ether. This is such good news to Bitcoin users and investors, since Bitcoin's expanded use means more value to the currency. PayPal's move also represents the first time one can seamlessly use cryptocurrencies in the same way as a credit card or a debit card inside your PayPal wallet. And like most of us expected, Bitcoin climbed as PayPal launched Checkout with Crypto. On the news of PayPal launching Checkout with Crypto, Bitcoin prices jumped over 3% over the US dollar, while the Litecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash prices also surged. According to the latest Bitcoin price analysis by Yahoo Finance, Bitcoin is on the brink of a major breakout above $60,000 on the back of Visa and PayPal's decision to make digital asset services more accessible. The world's largest cryptocurrency, which now has a market cap of $1.1 trillion, has risen by more than 17% since March 25th's low of $50,400. The Crypto Watch platform also believes if Bitcoin is dealt a rejection from the psychological level of resistance at $60,000, it will most likely come back down to retest the level of support at $57,500. In other news, crypto traders lever up as Bitcoin creeps back towards all-time high. The recent surge in Bitcoin prices indicates that traders are finding a renewed appetite for risk-taking following a market shakeout over the past couple of weeks, including when Bitcoin's price fell to just above $50,000 as recently as March 25th. According to a report by The Arcane, the funding rate spikes coincide with strong optimism and high leverage from short-term traders. The report claims that Bitcoin will continue to rise towards new price highs, especially after its breakout from the neutral territory. Looking at the latest BTC to USD price predictions from longforest.com, the crypto platform predicts that Bitcoin will begin the April trading at $58,782. Its maximum price may reach $72,002 and a minimum price of $52,446. This makes an average of $62,406 for the month. The platform also forecasts that Bitcoin's price at the end of the month may be at $66,392, marking a 12.9% change for April. And as Bitcoin is rallying towards hitting an all-time high of $60,000, will it break out? The price of the crypto has been surging since March 25th, and it's currently approaching $60,000 as we near the end of March 2021. FinanceYahoo believes that while Bitcoin is expected to reach a new all-time high, a short-term retracement is likely prior to the final breakout. This is a reminder that the cryptocurrency market still maintains its volatile nature, and there is no way to change this. Before we conclude, maybe you're asking yourself whether it's worthy of investing in Bitcoin right now. The best answer to this question would be a resounding yes. These trends and analysis from market watchers have the upper hand, and as an investor, such opportunities are worth utilizing. We are not professionals though, so always advise with a professional before you make any big moves. And that was it for today's video. Please like this video so we know if we should make more similar videos. Subscribe and turn on bell notifications if you haven't already, so you can stay up to date with the most important crypto news. And we'll see you tomorrow in another video. Take care.